This homemade air fryer granola recipe packs such a crunch. It has flavors of cinnamon and maple syrup with tart, chewy dried cranberries, and it only takes about 15 minutes to make. If you like this recipe, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First, cut a piece of parchment paper so that it covers most of the inside of your air fryer basket. I like to do this by flipping the basket over so that I can measure the size that I need. Pop the paper in and make sure that you can still see some of the holes around the edges so that there will still be hot circulating air. In a bowl, combine rolled oats with sliced almonds, cinnamon, salt, a little bit of oil, vanilla extract, and maple syrup, mixing well. You can use other nuts and other seasonings if you want to make a custom granola flavor. Once that's all mixed up, transfer it to your air fryer basket, spread it into a single layer, and cook until it begins to brown. Different air fryers will take different amounts of time to cook your granola, so check in often. Transfer it to a bowl and stir in your dried cranberries. You can use other dried fruit if you want, just cut it into small pieces if you're using something big like dried apricots. You can eat your granola warm or wait for it to cool. I like to dish this up with some vegan yogurt for a quick, easy breakfast. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make crunchy granola in the air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!